Hey, what's up everybody, Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 and some news that we received earlier through a tweet from Leakster Ice Universe, who has been accurate with pretty much almost every Samsung device. So earlier today, he tweeted out 3 code names for the Galaxy S10. We got the Beyond 0, Beyond 1, and Beyond 2. There was a little mistype there on the 1 and 2, but yes, we can all assume that it is Beyond 1 and 2. But it looks like we are going to have 3 different variants of the Galaxy S10, with the first, the 0 being having a 5.8-inch display with one single camera, and then the Beyond 1 having a 5.8-inch display, same size display, but instead with dual cameras, and then the Beyond 2, which is going to have a 6.2-inch display and 3 cameras. What the heck do we need 3 cameras for? Maybe extra optical zoom, who knows? But yes, we're gonna have a Beyond 0, 1, and 2, which I'm assuming the Beyond 0 will be called maybe the Galaxy S10 Lite, I'm assuming, and then the Beyond 1 and 2 will be the S10 and S10 Plus. Those are just my assumptions. I could be wrong. I don't know what they would name 3 devices, but yes, a 5.8-inch single camera, 5.8-inch dual camera, and then a 6.2-inch 3 cameras. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts. You know, no specs have been confirmed for sure for this device. But we've been getting lots of rumors. We still got a ways to go before this device is even announced and released. But we do know that besides everything that they're going to do to this device, it's going to be a beautiful device. Samsung always produces beautiful devices, so we know that one thing for sure. It is rumored to have 3D facial recognition, and they might get rid of the iris scanning in order to put that into this device. We do know it's going to have an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is going to be one of their headline features of this device. And we also know that it's going to have some of the best cameras on the market. Samsung always produces great cameras with their Galaxy devices. Now, this device will definitely be their game changer for the Galaxy brand. It's going to have a whole lot of new features compared to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. But you guys let me know what you think so far. Do you actually think we need 3 variants of this device? And what do you think their names are going to be? Let me know down in the comment sections below your thoughts. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come if you have not already. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.
It can drive me